In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Bank of America digital card at an ATM and how to set up this convenient feature. With the rise of digital payments and contactless technology, being able to access your funds using just your smartphone has never been easier. So let's jump right in and explore how you can set up and use your digital card at Bank of America ATMs. First off, you'll need to open your Bank of America app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you aren't already, just enter your login credentials to access your home screen. Once you're in the app, locate your checking account or debit card and tap on it. This will lead you to a page where you'll find various options for managing your account. Next, you're going to want to add your debit card to your digital wallet. On this page, look for an option called Add to Digital Wallet. Tap on this to start the process of linking your card to your preferred digital payment platform such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. By doing this, you're effectively turning your smartphone into a tool for easy, contactless transactions, which is both secure and efficient. Once you've successfully added your card to your digital wallet, the next step is to visit a nearby Bank of America ATM. When you arrive, keep an eye out for an ATM that features the contactless symbol. It looks like a set of curved lines or a Wi-Fi-like symbol. This symbol indicates that the ATM is compatible with digital cards and contactless payment methods. Position your phone near this symbol on the ATM to initiate the connection. Hold your phone there for a moment until you feel a slight vibration or hear a beep indicating that the ATM has recognized your digital card. It's an exciting process that highlights how advanced banking technology has become. Once connected, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Just as you would with a regular debit card, this step is crucial because it adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your account. Entering your PIN will grant you access to all standard ATM functions, such as withdrawing cash, making a deposit, or simply checking your account balance. Feel free to carry out the transactions you need, and there you have it. Accessing your Bank of America account is straightforward with these steps. As technology continues to evolve, it's empowering to utilize these innovations to enhance our everyday banking activities. With your digital card now set up, you'll enjoy the ease and convenience of contactless ATM transactions whenever you need them. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you explore the world of digital banking. Keep an eye out for more tips and tricks.